Is looks like the last one for the night. This is a young teddy bear palm tree seedling, a few years old. I have one of my teddy bear planted with my granddaughter Kylie in the back there, and they're very, very healthy. They grow nice and long. The stems, the palm leaf itself is fairly long compared to some of the other palm leaves. And what I like about them is that I fell in love with them is the fact that you see the cuddliness of the bear. It has like a fuzz. The bottom of the tree right now, there's a little fuzz on there. You can't make it out as well, but it's like a peach fuzz. And as the palm matures, the fuzz gets much more deeper, a little more darker and more pronounced. So when you see this little puppy, that's why people like to have them in their garden. They make a nice little specimen. So I just wanted to show you a teddy bear palm tree in the Dougherty Garden. And that's it for now. Any questions? I'm all ears. Please like the video. Thank you. Subscribe to the channel. See you later. Take care. Bye-bye.